Page 86, please show work. Alright, so you can use a number line. You're going in the negative direction, so go 2/3 5 times. So here's 2/3 1 times. Here's 2/3 twice. 3, 4, 5. Okay? Or you can do this. 5 times negative 2/3. 5 times negative 2/3. So put a 1 under the whole number and then do the steps. Num num den den, cross cancel if you can. 5 and 3, no canceling. 2 and 1, no canceling. 5 times 2 is 10. It's going to be negative 10. 1 times 3 is 3. 10 over 3. 10 divided by 3, that's going to be 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract, we get 1, so 3 and 1/3, but it's going to be negative. Is that what we have right here? Yeah, negative 3 and 1/3. Okay, so let's go 1/4 in the negative direction 3 times. So here's 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. So you can do it like that, or you can look at it like this. 3 times negative 1/4. Make your whole number into a fraction by putting it over 1. Can you cancel the 3 and the 4? Nope. Can you cancel the 1 and the 1? Nope. Negative 3/4. Is that what we have right here? Negative 3/4, yep. Because 7,500 is the same as 3/4. So 4 over 7, do it 3 times. So go in the negative direction. Are there 7 spaces here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so do 4 of those. Is that 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then go 1, 2, 3, 4 again to right here. And then do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like we're at 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 1 and 5 over 7. Let's check on that. 3 times 4/7. Okay, so it's 12 over 7. 12 divided by 7. 1, 7, subtract, you get 5. So it's going to be 1 and 5 over 7. But remember, here we're at negative 1 and 5 over 7, and that's 3 of that. But this 3 says take the opposite. So go clear over here to 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 7s right here. That's our answer. That's the spot. That's positive 1 and 5 over 7. Okay, so go 3/4, but do it 4 times. There's 3. There's 3. There's 3. And there's 3. But remember, now the negatives cancel, so it's saying go up here to positive 3. And that's your answer. Okay, that's the number line. And now just do the multiplication version. 3/4 times 4. Num num den den, cross cancel if you can. Cross cancel those 4s. So 3 times 1 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. So it should just be 3. By the way, what would this look like in a picture? Here's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we just want 3/4 of that 4. So there's, let's make that smaller. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So 3 is 3/4 of 4. Great. 4 times 3 is 12. Positive times a negative is a negative. 1.8 times 5. So we're going to forget the decimal and multiply like normal. 1.8 times 5 gives us 0, 4, 5, 9. And then count the number of decimal places. There's 1 decimal place there. So there needs to be 1 decimal place here. And then estimate to see if your answer is reasonable. 1.8 is almost 2. So here's 1, and here's 2, and here's 1.8. So round that up to 2. And then 2 times 5 is 10. So is your answer reasonable at 9.0? Okay, now let's look back here. Negative times a positive is a negative. It should just be -9.